Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Kraken to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're new to this or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Sending crypto can feel intimidating, but I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and secure. First off, why do this? Tangem wallets are hardware-based, offering top-notch security for your Solana holdings, so moving funds from an exchange like Kraken is a smart move for long-term storage. Before we start, make sure you have a verified Kraken account with some Solana in it and your Tangem wallet set up and accessible. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head to the dashboard and click on the Wallets or Funding section. Step 2. Find and select Solana from your asset list, then choose the Withdraw option. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to check for any withdrawal fees. Kraken usually displays them up front. Step 4. Now, switch to your Tangem wallet. Open the app on your device, navigate to the Receive or Deposit section, and copy the Solana wallet address. Double-check that it's for the Solana network to avoid errors. Step 5. Back on Kraken, paste the Tangem wallet address into the withdrawal form. Verify it carefully. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and a single mistake could send your funds to the wrong place. Step 6. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and destination. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication. Step 7. Once submitted, Kraken will process the withdrawal. Solana transactions are typically fast, but it might take a few minutes to an hour. Check your Tangem wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable security features like email confirmations to protect against scams. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer Solana in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.